let's see. Maggie's Farm Restaurant. So this is an outdoor restaurant somewhere in Lanseria. I'm not quite good with directions and all of that, so please check that out with Google Map. You will thank me later. Anyway, this is going to be a very short video, so I won't bother you much with talking. But it is a great place, good chilled vibes, and as you can see, you can take a walk around and buy some decorative stuff for the house. I saw something, just wait for it. Arsenal, yay! Anyway, they have a small gallery, and then they have small shop where you can buy something sweet. You know, the food here is delicious and affordable. I'm not gonna lie to you. And they have a small nice lake on the other side of the restaurant. You can take a walk, sit down. I'm not so sure about picnic though, but you can sit down, take nice pictures. Anyway, overall is worth checking this place out. Thank you for coming back to this channel again, and if you are new to this channel, you know what to do. For now, ciao.
Stay right here, and my legs they freeze us in fear. We got time after this, but I'll need you as my brightest light.